The midpoint formula is a formula which lets us take 2 points and figure out what the point halfway between would be. And so we're given 2 points in our problems with this, and then we can plug them into this formula, which is a really easy formula to use. And then what we're left with will actually still be a point, because we're talking about, and if we were to graph this, we're talking about a point that's halfway between two other points. So just like with the distance formula, we're going to label x1, y1, x2, y2, and that lets us plug into this formula. But the formula is actually really easy, because all we're doing is taking our x values and adding them together and dividing by 2, which means that we're just taking the average of our x values. And the same thing for y. We take our y values and we average them. Now, something you want to be careful with, if you're doing this by hand or on your calculator, either one, is we need to make sure to do the top before we divide by 2. So we do 4 plus negative 7, and we get negative 3 divided by 2. And then we get 5 plus 1, which is 6, divided by 2. And then the last step we want to do is see if we can simplify either one of these. Most math professors would prefer you leave this as negative 3 halves and not try to change it, but you could change it to negative 1.5 or negative 1.5, but most people would want you to leave it as negative 3 halves. 6 divided by 2 is 3, so this is our answer.